intro music. अबे रुकना 2 मिनट रुकना, मेरे को बोलने दे. Intro music. चाहिए 1 सेकंड. Intro music starts now. Sminal, take over. Vocals, Mary.
C.
Okay, so welcome to the second episode of day 1. Okay, now I have to take all of this, confiscate all of this instrument. But we have new guests this time.
Yeah, the guitar.
Sminal. Okay, so Sminal,
Yes, sir.
we have certain rules for the podcast that we have to take care of. First rule is do not play for the mic. As in, it should feel like a genuine conversation. ठीक है? Like I don't have a conversation with you, so I won't talk to you in the podcast. ठीक है? That's the first rule. Don't act for the podcast. Just be yourself. And the second rule is there's no formality. Like don't speak with an accent. Don't try to not interrupt. Just be friendly with each other. Be as you are. That's the second rule.
What's up, Mary?
So
Good
How are you
Mics.
doing today?
Okay.
Playing for the mic, Ashish 10 points minus. So these are the 2 rules. So podcast begins now.
I don't have a bath. I can take the podcast with me. So that the dripping showers.
Static noise.
Static noise.
This is episode 2. We can't go downhill in
Guys,
episode 2 itself.
it was nice. It was a nice run of the podcast idea. It was a nice run.
First good joke, first laughable joke.
Let's talk about Mary's existential crisis and how she
I
deletes all the
yeah.
posts of her Instagram.
Yeah, okay, I got this. Why do girls delete their posts when they have a mental breakdown?
Because
I think we should start with Mary, then go to Aksha because they are like inside information.
I don't want to be like I want to.
Have you ever done it? Mary has done it. You've never done it. Never had a mental breakdown?
Thank God, yeah.
Okay. So I can't.
How does it feel to live my dream?
But why? Let's start with the guest on topic and
What?
also specialist on mental breakdowns, Minal. Why do girls?
Why do girls have mental breakdowns?
Okay.
Transition.
Okay.
Segue. Okay. Why do girls delete their posts after mental break? I mean,
After just seeing you.
You're just saying me, bro.
Acha, okay. if
No.
you're
All the side jokes apart, yeah. Let him talk.
और the jokes apart, but my podcast is बात में रखना पड़ेगा. Yes, Minal. Yes.
So I have no really clue, bro.
Wow. All the time you're joking. You thought of that answer.
Yeah, bro. I really have.
Say something that when they smell me, they get a disease called
Okay.
Post delete करो.
Enough.
Sminalolysis.
अगर
Return ticket लिया है तू? कल क्या बोल रहा है?
Ashish, you have a theory why girls delete their posts?
I think they don't delete it.
They
Archive it.
Oh, yeah. Mary, all archive and then someone follows
let's
us.
check.
Someone,
No.
Someone hot follows me.
someone hot follows her. No?
Then I put it back again.
Let's check.
Wait, why do you know my password?
1098.
Yeah,
No,
wait.
1089.
Bro, she won't. delete
1809. Okay. Let's
Okay,
check.
I archive, but
Wait. Archive. Is it still? Does your theory hold up?
yeah, it does.
It's true, bro. See the archive. Whoa.
See, I'll tell you.
You're onto something.
Now
You're
I'll
onto
tell
something.
you why.
Why?
Yeah,
Their mental breakdown is maybe temporary.
Okay.
yeah.
फिर बाद में what happens is once they get out of it they'll be like they'll feel regret ना कि यार delete कर दिया, delete नहीं करना.
अच्छा, okay.
So that's why they maybe put it into archive.
No, but that's
lot
true.
of
If
sense
someone
of
hot
it.
follows, I have to be there. I have to be there.
or I feel is it a call for attention to brag on people to sympathize on you?
Is it a statement? I
It's
think
a-
that's
it's
what
a-
you're getting at, right? Is it a statement? Deleting posts?
No,
See,
it's-
I can even.
It's like
Statement, right? So
it's like
I
she
need you
wants
to back me
attention.
up.
It's like how if you're
Is it in her
you know,
face?
wait, Amanti.
Wait.
We are on to something big here.
Okay.
I'm
Just a
searching for
second,
that.
just a second. Hello, NASA. Hello.
It's like how if you're in a phase of not uploading something on Facebook or on IG stories, you upload something on IG stories just to get that validation of people liking you and reacting to your stories. So
No, that's not for me.
I mean in general, not only you. So what if girls go through a mental breakdown and announce it to their close
Did you
friends?
just
See.
something like that?
Yeah, he said something.
Breakdown, something like
Yeah,
that.
bro.
But listen,
Bro, are you having a breakdown right now?
No. And then
The chair is
people
having a
give
breakdown right now, to be honest. The
people
chair
give
is...
them
His
validation.
leg broke.
And people give them validation and that satisfies their heart so that okay now
No, but then
No,
listen.
you know what I'll do?
Wait.
Is it a
Let's
way,
listen.
you know,
Let's
you know?
listen from the victim.
But whatever
Hey,
he's
wait,
saying.
I got a point.
Let's
Is
go.
it a way like to show, I don't care?
Yeah,
Wait,
even
so-
that could be
So
there.
listen now,
Yeah,
whatever
I
I'm saying, you guys are saying that we change.
Wait, I first wanna mention we can't compare to other girls. Okay? They are in this universe. You are far away. But anyway, please tell us.
So okay,
your
I'm
insight.
not talking about girls. I'm talking about people who have mental illness. So if they do this for
Entering
see,
dangerous territory.
see,
Wait.
But listen.
Say that again.
What did I say?
Continue, people who
So
have.
this is for like people with mental illness, right?
Now go on.
So like
joke,
if
good
Agape
joke.
is saying that it's like people do this to get validation, then it itself is a mental illness. If people change their things just to get validation, it itself is a mental illness. You getting me?
I mean
I mean
you can use that as a source also and you can use a source of like
that itself is a mental illness. Whatever the overall thing they are doing, so they're mentally ill both ways.
So you're indirectly
But
saying that.
I am not.
I don't think.
I do it because I
don't
want to-
think asking for validation is a mental illness. I think we all have that. Don't
Yeah.
kids need
But then
validation
he's
from
saying
the
that,
parents?
no, like
yeah they
No, she's proving her point. His
his
point.
point. I'm not
His
proving.
point.
And for me, so I'm talking about me. For me,
Yeah.
बढ़िया,
I get-
बढ़िया, हाँ.
for I remove because I find myself cringe sometimes.
Sometimes. Wait.
So
When I
then,
remove-
so then, why not delete it?
But then I watch Agape
why not be
and
that
see-
Why not
courageous?
delete it?
Why not be that
Why?
courageous? इतना dumb
I mean,
अब बीमार.
why
Like-
do people archive their stories or their posts instead of
Then
deleting
that's
it?
a commitment. I have commitment issues now. So deleting is a big commitment. Then I can never get the photo back.
Oh, you can always screenshot it.
Yeah.
No,
you
not
can
the
always
photo
screenshot
as
it.
in
Yeah.
photo as in that. Like
Yeah.
I can't remove.
Okay.
और
So going from
her
there.
mentality might be like आगे जाके मैं इस फोटो को देखूंगी तो cringe नहीं लगेगा. So then I can
No.
put it back again.
No, you know what?
When I get it,
I got the idea.
Hey, it's
You
like
guys know
बचपन
nothing.
में कितने
You
बार
guys know
हम-
nothing. I have the idea. I have the right answer.
Chalo,
I think it's their tiny effort at showing that whatever mistakes I did in my past life, now I am. It's their idea of their first step in new birth.
Okay,
I
That's
think
not.
that.
I just
You know what
find
I'm
myself
saying?
cringe. Then
It's
I
that-
find people.
I mean, no.
worse than me.
See, understand my
Then I'm like,
theory. This is my theory. That they made
So
some.
let me make clear. This is your
Yeah,
theory.
please, yeah.
This is your theory
Of
about
what?
other people, not about Mary.
No.
Okay.
So my
Yeah.
theory is that they made some mistakes or
Yeah.
something bad happened to them, and they want to show that now they want to change.
Yeah.
So as a reflection of having a new life, new perspective towards life.
Isn't it like same to I don't
कि no.
care?
So no. What is that? कि ये जो मेरे ये फोटो में जो past let's take a fake name प्रिया जो पिछली ये फोटो वाली प्रिया थी ना I am not that Priya. I don't relate to this Priya,
if
but so I
Priya
delete
wants-
that.
Right,
Priya
understood,
doesn't want to be
understood.
the
Got the
Priya
theory?
she
Understood,
was.
understood.
Then why does
I'm a new Priya now.
There's sense.
Hey,
to
so
this.
Priya.
I'm on to something.
Agape, bro. If Priya
I'm on to
doesn't want to
something.
be the previous Priya, why just don't Priya delete Priya?
Yeah, so
But
that's what he's
that's
saying.
I'm getting.
I'll tell you
I have.
because she wanna show that from Priya she turned into Supriya. You get it?
You thought of that joke. Thought of that joke, and you thought inside कि अच्छा joke है.
अच्छा था. Hey, Supriya.
No, so his point is why can't they screenshot it and take it out forever?
Bro,
why
but-
they are archiving it?
Bro, but it's me who's archiving it. We don't know about
Not
other
only
people.
you.
Okay, okay,
Hey,
okay.
is it
I have the
because the
answer.
comments and all and
I don't
oh, it's
know.
not like
So okay, let's take that. Let's
Ah,
take
could be.
मेरे में नहीं
Could
आता
be,
है,
could be.
so I don't know.
Okay, wait,
नहीं
wait,
आता है.
wait. I know
नहीं
where
आता, इसको नहीं
to.
आता.
I know where to take this conversation now.
Gorai Beach.
There should be
We
translation.
changed the
yeah.
sound also, no?
Sorry, huh? What?
For this podcast.
Deleting the post, deleting all the posts is part 1. Part 2 is also cutting hair. That's also
Yeah.
common. Cutting
No,
hair.
changing hair colors.
And
Girls-
cutting hair.
Yeah, changing
Hey, yo,
hair colours.
Mary, are you having a
Mary-
breakdown or something right now?
So I told now whenever I'm changing my hair color, I'm having a mental breakdown.
Oh.
I told you guys so many times.
So what does this color mean?
Should we care and all?
No, that's not.
Should we care?
It's a small big breakdown. उसमें
It's
ज़्यादा
a
नहीं।
small big breakdown.
दो
Okay, so
तीन बार
blonde is-
दो तीन बार भैया कलर ये कलर इतना ब्रेकडाउन में मेरे
So what does this mean right now?
This means,
Huh.
see, I will tell this hair color is like I want to gain control. I'm not getting control in my life, so I want control in something. So I
Yeah,
do
that's
it
a
in
that's a
that
good
way.
theory. That's a good
So
theory.
this is not a theory.
No,
this is
but
what I
her-
am.
You, but
Sorry,
do you believe that this is with a lot of people now? Mary's way is to color her hair. My way is to go bald.
I agree. For me, I want control. So the only thing I can do
Yeah,
is change
bro.
something in my control.
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah.
a good theory.
I think y'all take yourself.
That gives
into
her
a zone.
confidence.
Yeah.
And if
Solving some
Agape is
great
having a
world issues,
breakdown,
I
bro,
think.
if Agape he just
I
orders
eat
food.
Yeah, he's right. Yeah.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
don't you think like everybody else has
I mean,
different
I
ways
don't
to
have
deal
it
with
often
it? Like
or-
if Joshua has a breakdown, he just
He
speaks
just
lame jokes, bro.
exactly.
are you
You're coming on to me.
are you always having a break?
How do you think this podcast
Started in the first
He had a
place.
breakdown, bro.
Bro, if everyone.
This is coming out now. We are,
Yeah, this is
like
coming
अभी
out, yeah.
origin
Bro,
पे जा
Joshua,
रहे
do
हैं।
we
This is an
think you care
intervention.
and all, bro?
This is an intervention. Oh,
Yeah,
Bro, but have you checked out his shot?
I know the joke.
Agape
We'll know.
merch.
Whoa, Agape merch.
Yeah.
Maybe this is also a way to deal with his breakdown.
Yeah, sure.
I need my
Sure,
friends
bro.
near me.
Nice.
Okay,
nice.
okay.
Sminil is coming into the
चाय
zone.
पिया ना अभी?
Very nice. Very nice.
Strawberry.
So I think guys we solved many world issues. I think Africa is in a much better place. after-
UNICEF might, you know,
Yeah.
hire us.
We are getting a call. WHO.
Nice.
Bro, now you know he's having a mental.
Nice, nice.
yeah.
Okay, but let's get back to the topic. We
Yeah,
still
yeah.
have to finish 10 more minutes.
What is 7 days? 10
I mean,
more minutes. We have 2 minutes of good jokes, I think.
Yeah.
After
Mental
this.
breakdown.
After mental. What else girls do?
Bro.
I know they cut hair. I know.
Is this something also a mental breakup? Like you're not dumb,
Okay,
but you're
okay.
up.
We are only 4 people handling the podcast.
Isn't
Wait, I got
Isn't
one
it
more. I
like-
got one more. I just realized.
Uh-huh.
They remove their DP from WhatsApp.
I didn't know.
Ah, bro.
Okay,
I
I've
have
not
to put
seen
the
that
DP.
happen. I've not seen.
He has done that.
You have done that? You've done
Instagram
that?
में किधर है DP इसका?
Yeah, DP नहीं है उसका. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, and they also talk about it, bro. Like, to
Yeah, I
other
do talk.
They talk about it and they
I
drag
do
the
talk.
attention. It's like
They
some
show
of
like,
my
yeah,
friends-
you know what? I don't give a shit,
No,
bro.
no. I know what they do. I know what they do. You know nothing.
and they expect others are no. Bro,
No, I'll
I'm
tell
there
you.
for you, bro.
Bro, I'll tell you. It's a mirror selfie with a smile. Just had a mental breakdown. Like every
Yeah,
Saturday
like
mental.
that.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yes.
And
Bro,
all
I
the
will tell
hearts
you
around there.
something. No,
Hearts
I
around
will
there.
tell you something. I have to click a picture of me crying. I posted
Yeah,
a
I've
vlog
seen,
as well.
I've seen photos of girls crying.
Yeah.
I've seen photos of girls.
I literally posted a vlog.
And
bro.
and you know where it is usually on Snapchat.
Oh, not. I don't have Snapchat.
Snapchat is the hub.
Hub.
Mental
Yeah.
breakdown hub.
mental. I mean, I always Snapchat. I'm not on Snapchat.
Even I'm
also
not on
not.
Snapchat.
I'm there, but I don't know how to use it.
Snapchat is outdated, I feel.
No,
No,
it is,
bro,
It
it's-
is actually a
it's
really good
incredible.
app
For what?
for a lot of things. Like it's like, thoda
No,
you can.
I mean, like how the new gen isn't on Facebook right now. So as others are like exiting out of Snapchat.
Snapchat, I think, is only for now for people to look cool, very sassy,
Do streaks.
do streaks. Yeah, bro.
Oh God, bro, streaks was a headache.
Yeah. What was the maximum streak you reached?
I
But I
Never
never
did.
had Snapchat. I never had Snapchat.
My high streak was 4 with my friend Arash. from
Hey,
Iraq.
we are diverting from the. Let's not
What was
digress.
the
UNICEF or
And
like
one
it,
more
that's
thing I
all.
noticed, like the WhatsApp status will be like ...
Oh, busy.
What is the meaning
Wait a
of
second.
that?
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Who am I talking
Wait.
about?
I've realized something. How come Ashi is getting this inside
Yeah.
information?
Because I've seen so
Talking
many
about
people,
Sminnil, the right
Yeah.
person to ask about mental breakdowns.
It's like
Who is holding the guitar right now, huh?
No. How come
Ashish has point to point.
I have seen people.
No.
I've seen status.
Bro, there's
I've
no-
seen no DP on their profile picture. So
Bro,
that's what I'm bringing up.
See,
points.
I'm not even a general stereotypical girl. So this is what a stereotypical girl does.
Hey, we are getting again
Yeah,
diverted
yeah.
from our topic.
Sorry.
It's mental illness.
Yeah.
So, Mary.
Yeah?
How are you? How's life? How things are going?
I'm
Let's
fine.
What?
I'm
what
It's
fine.
okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
I think I'll raise a question that it's not been raised in like 7 centuries. Okay.
Okay.
What do boys do?
when they
Their
have
mental
a,
break. What are their
Write songs.
What's their cutting
Yeah,
hair
bro,
strategy? What's their deleting all the post strategy?
I think.
No, I don't delete posts.
Let
I
Aksha
tried
and
that.
Mary answer this.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. What do you
Aksha
think?
will-
I feel for
I
him.
don't
it's-
know. Wow, so deep. Yeah, I don't know. Aksha will that.
Yeah.
First,
Is it-
let's start with Mary.
Yeah.
I think for
Because I
him
know
it's
Aksha has a
like
lot to say.
buying-
let's give her that time.
No, that's not a mental breakdown.
Chalo.
Bro, that-
No, I didn't hear. I didn't hear what.
No, she,
buying biker stuffs like biker.
that's not mental.
I know one. But after
You're
Aksha
also-
says.
What
after
Yeah.
Aksha
does
says.
Aksha has to say?
Yeah.
He's like, I'm a good girl. I don't talk about
Don't
boys.
interrupt.
Do she laugh?
Hey, silence. Silence on the set,
Third
please.
time.
Silence on the set, please. Silence on the set, please. Aksha, yeah.
I really, bro, at least the
Really?
Really don't
A
know.
new word in
I
the
feel,
dictionary.
Okay.
I feel this. Girls don't share it, and boys need someone to share it.
I don't know
think
if
so.
I did.
No, yeah.
Sorry.
Mostly,
Sorry.
I have real.
I think it's opposite. I think girls go and share with
exactly.
their friends, and boys don't share.
Yeah, I talk
I
a lot.
think that.
because you know
Yeah.
technically every girl you see is a friend of that girl.
I don't know about that.
I think it was the opposite earlier, but now it's not so relevant.
I don't know.
I think. the
I
opposite is
think like girls are more practical and.
Bro, no. I
Yeah.
feel girls are more exaggerative, and boys are.
Exaggerate.
You're gonna cancel my vlog, my podcast.
But exaggerate.
Just gonna
like what aspect?
I mean,
Hey guys,
they,
we did first. Let's start with everyone's pronouns. Okay? Aksha, yours. Okay.
What's your-
Ashish.
Ashish.
Ashish, your pronouns.
Why?
Nancy.
I am not putting any of these jokes. I'm getting cancelled.
My pronouns are she, but not her, because I can never be her.
I know.
Play sus squad, bro. Play sus squad. This needs a sus squad.
Okay. I know what guys do. They drive slowly.
Yes, that's.
No, wait.
Oh,
explanation.
there's a big story behind that.
Explanation.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Yeah,
I'll tell
yeah.
you. They either have something on their earphones or nothing, and they'll just drive on an empty road slowly.
Thinking about shit.
Yeah.
बंदे का दिल टूटा.
है कि नहीं?
Understand.
There's truth to this. I mean, he never rides bikes. So.
I mean,
Ola में धीरे चलाओ ना थोड़ा.
भैया धीरे चलाओगे हम डर रहे हैं.
हमारा मेंटल दिमाग मन टूट गया है.
गए
हमारा
हमको परेशानी हो रहा है.
इधर मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
इधर दुख रहा है.
धीरे जाओ.
bro, yeah, but
Like Agape walking on the Sobo streets. Wow, what a beautiful life. I wish my life was this beautiful.
Wow.
Sheets?
Anything else you have to add? What do people who don't have bikes do then? For
Yeah,
mental
I
breakdown.
they walk.
Hey, why do you
I
think
had a
Ashish
crush
bought a
in high
bike, bro?
school.
Yeah. Good one. That was a good one.
So I had a crush in like SY. So,
Ah.
क्या बात
so
है?
I used to head out for walks. So I used to go to Chowpatty and all and just hear songs and just chill and relax.
I think it's the non-bike version of that.
Yeah,
I've done that. I've done that. I'll agree.
I'll just walk around and think about life and if I impress that girl or not and check her story.
Wait a
Check if she's
second.
online.
All that thinking brought you to this point, vlogging.
Hanging
But
out with
I
Mary?
was safe from her.
But yeah. Chowpatty, 12th
Okay.
standard. Every time I was thoda low, go to Chowpatty, walk,
Yeah,
sit there.
chill.
Wait.
Bro, if you know,
One more thing.
if a guy is sitting alone at Marine Drive, he's having a mental breakdown.
I mean,
For sure.
I mean, not also a mental breakdown. It can.
It's
be
just he's on a low
yeah.
phase. He's on a low phase.
Yeah, on a low phase.
No, bro. I don't believe that. I mean, if I'm
So
around,
that's the time we have for podcast today.
if
But
I'm
yeah.
around, then I just go and chill at Marine Drive, bro. It's not like I'm having a
I mean,
breakdown.
that's for a purpose of looking at nature. But for those who stay
Huh.
around that place, it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
for a purpose. It's
more
for
of
just
a-
a relaxation.
Okay.
Anyone else has to add something to the illness session? Mental breakdown.
Yeah. No.
What do non-binary
Achha, okay.
people
Are
do?
your mental breakdowns something that you should have done but you didn't do, or something that others have done to you?
Whoa.
It
Bro,
can
I
be
think.
either way.
Wait, I
Yeah,
have a
this is
theory.
nice.
I have a
It can be either way, no?
What a question.
Yeah.
I have a theory. I think with girls, it's what others have done to them, and with
No.
boys, I think that.
I don't think it's
Not
gender
necessarily,
specific.
bro.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking.
Bro, let's
I'm not saying it's gender specific.
Bro, exactly. Let's not gender like be.
Let's not be sexist.
Yeah, no.
It's not sexist.
Let's
Bro,
not
ये
say
क्या,
girls
bro?
and
AC,
boys.
bro?
Yeah, क्या है बे AC?
या एसी ठीक करके आते चल.
Okay.
That was a.
But you didn't pause it. So it's okay.
But yeah, we were on a question.
Yeah. I
But-
didn't cut it yet though.
Ah.
Like something you should have
Baba
done, like
forgot,
told
bro.
her or told her that you love. I mean, told your
Please,
crush
someone
you
share
love.
their personal story. Come
I
on.
will tell you.
Come on. Someone
It's-
take it. We won't make jokes.
I will
Maybe.
I never.
Maybe.
So if it's her, then we have to do it.
Bro,
You know what?
No,
You know
let's
what? Let's
for
do
once
agape now.
let's for once take her seriously.
Hey. Let's. I guess.
one personal story for the
Chal.
podcast.
I could say
for the
personal,
vlog.
but it's
Everyone
not
does.
dating now.
Yo,
never dated.
listen, no. I
Sorry.
feel like let's know Agape. Man. Let's know about his life.
Yeah, Mary, so she'll say anytime.
Yeah.
Let's know
Okay,
about
okay,
it.
okay,
Let's
okay.
know what's
Fresh,
happening.
fresh.
Yeah.
Play some Jesus, bro. Now.
Chalo.
Okay.
But क्या जानना है तेरे को?
Some mental breakdown.
Yeah, bro.
Personal story.
आपकी
The
मन
time
की
when
बात
you were
बोलिए
low.
आप मन की बात.
Introspection.
Yeah, and
With yourself.
understand thousands of people across the world listening
Don't say
to
something
this.
cancelled.
Across the planet as well.
The highest mental breakdown I've had was
So there are two incidents in my life which actually have defined what. I mean, I've learned a lot from those incidents. First is I had a crush in second year. In first year and second year of third year. And it was a complete waste of time. Because I didn't tell her anything expecting her to start a conversation, take it forward. And second was one of my kind of elderly friends. He shouted at me in the car. And I was playing it kind to, show, okay, I'm understand, I can, take a joke, take an insight, take an abuse. But then after that 6 months, it was haunting me, like, I should have stood up for myself and stuff, shown him, which I wanted to do, but that holiness, okay, let's,
others to make a first move and the song ends and they don't make a first move. That's the same issue.
Then दिल था टूटा तब हिप हॉप मेरे साथ.
Whoa! On that note. ये बहुत
Sad हो गया.
अपनी माइनर बजाया नहीं ना.
पानी लाओ.
ए,
एक
रुक,
second.
बंद मत कर.
एक second.
पहले तू डोमिनेंट खेल.
एक सेकंड पानी लाओ. ठीक है. Let's laugh. Let's end on a happy note. Fake laugh. Everyone laugh. ठीक है. Ready? 1, 2.
बंद कर अभी.